Hello students, so welcome back to the practical series of Enterprise Java. So let's continue with the next practical, that is practical number 3A, that is to create a servlet application to upload and download a file. So here the practical is divided into two parts. First part will be upload and the second part will be download. So both of them will be covered in the same video, right? But we will divide it into two parts. So first we'll look how to upload a file and next we will see how to download a file. So for that we have to create two different pages in that, and one will be for upload and second will be for download. Alright, so let's directly jump into the code and look at the implementation. We are into our NetBeans, so let's create our project first. So we'll create a project, web application. Here we'll rename it as practical 3A. So click on next and then finish. So here our project has been set up. So first here we will delete the unwanted code. Now in the index.html file, here we'll write upload. Here we'll write servlet upload. Now here we'll delete the remaining code. Here we'll write a form tag. In the form tag we have two things. One is the action and second is the method. Right? Method will be post and action will be. Now in file uploading we have to include third type also, that is encryption type multi-part slash formatted. What does this mean over here is that it should also accept document type. So in this, what it does, it should also accept the document type. If we don't write this, what will happen is it will get the remaining data, but it will not accept the file which you want to upload, right? So here it accepts file type. Now here we'll write the user to upload a file. Select file, upload. So input type is equal to file. Here we have to write file because whatever document user will upload will be of type file. Name will be file. Right, here we close it over here. Now next thing we have to do is we have to ask the user where he wants to upload the file. So here we'll write destination. Input type is equal to text, name is equal to destination. So here user will provide the destination where he wants to upload the file. And after that we'll have one button, right? Using the button user will upload the file. Upload, we'll write upload and close it. Now here we'll create one servlet file where a document will be uploaded. So here we'll rename the here we'll create a surname with file upload servlet, right? Click on next, add to deployment descriptor and click on finish. Now in the HTML page we have to write the action file upload servlet. So it will redirect to this one. Right, now we'll remove the unwanted code and remove all the code from below. Right, over here now above the class we have to write one thing, that is @multipart config. Using multipart config, the servlet also understands that he has to accept some file type data. If we don't write this, then it will not accept the data. Right? It will accept other data, but it will not accept the file type data. Again, post HTTP request HTTP response response, throws IO exception, servlet exception. Right? After that, again, we have to do the same part, response.check content type, textless HTML, character set is equal to UTF hyphen 8. Then print writer again. Print writer out is equal to response dot get writer. So now we are able to write something on the screen. So now first what we will do is we will get the destination where the user wants to store the data. So request dot get parameter. Here we'll get destination. Right? After that, we will get the file which the user has uploaded. So here we'll have to import javax servlet.http path is equal to request dot get part. So part means the file, and we have given the name as file. Now we'll get the file name from the what user has uploaded, right? So file name is equal to file part dot get submitted file name dot toString. So what it will do here is, by default Java will give us the file name which the user has submitted, right? And we'll print the file name over here. We'll want to add br type, so if anything is above it will, and if it is not, then it will again give us a space from the top file name. Now we'll add one input stream and output stream, because here we have to store our data to some of the stream, right? We'll store our data using some input stream and output stream. So input stream and output stream. Input stream is equal to null. We have declared both of them null so that moving ahead it should not give us any problem, right? After that we'll have one try catch block, because moving ahead we will have some of the things related to uploading, so it should not give us any problem related to uploading. So in the exception we'll write exception plus E, so it will display the exception on the screen. So we need to, okay, since we have not written any code related to the file not found, that's why it is giving us an error. So OS is equal to new file output stream, so we have to store the file somewhere, right? So what we will write here is new file. Inside the new file, what we have to do is we have to store the file at this particular path plus file with a specific file dot separator, means the slash what it is given, plus the file name. So what does it mean is, you have to store the file at a given path, and after that the slash, and next the file name, right? So it will store this file at this particular path, and it will create a new file over there using the output stream, right? So input stream is equal to file part dot get input stream. So here it will notice, that is any data uploaded. So int read is equal to 0, while read is equal to input stream not read. So if any data is present in that which is to be read, so what it does over here is, first it will check whether any read data is present. If all the read data till the time the read data is not empty, continue the loop. And what we have to do is we have to write the data and we have to store it. So once the data is done writing, then we have to print on the screen the user that file has been successfully uploaded. Right. So what we will do is first we will check whether the file is getting properly uploaded or not. Right. So what we will do is we'll run this file and we'll check whether the uploading section is properly working or not. After that, we will move to the download section. So let's get our code compiled first. Okay, so our output is ready. Now we'll select one file to upload. So on the desktop, we have the syllabus copy of TYBSIT. Now the destination. So we have to store our project in this particular project only. And if we go through over here, so inside the web folder, we have the index.html page. So here we have to store our PDF file. So what we'll do is we'll right click on the web. We'll right click on the web to the properties. So here we'll get one path. You have to just copy this path. So in this, on this path, we will store our this file. So we'll just paste this and click on submit. So it will store this particular file on this particular path for us. It will take a bit of time because we are uploading the file. So we had printed the name of the file. So the name of the file is printed and it is showing that file has been successfully uploaded. Now let's go to the NetBeans and check. Yeah, so here our file has been found. So now what we will do over here is we will create one more form tag below, give one H tag over here, and here we'll write so now what we will do is we'll create one more HTML page. We'll create one more HTML page, that is download. Click on finish. Right now again we will remove the unwanted code from here. Here we will write file download. Right now what we have to do over here is we have to give a name. Right, what we will do is we'll create one anchor tag, and through the anchor tag we will ask the user to download which particular file they want to download. So here also we have to create one more servlet, and through that servlet we will let the user download the file. So we'll create one servlet name as download servlet, and using question mark file name we will ask the user to download the file. TYBSCIT syllabus. So in the file name we have to write the file name of this. So we'll in the rename section we will copy it so that we get the exact name of it .pdf. Right, so now let's create one more servlet over here, and what we will give the name of it as download servlet, which we have given in the anchor tag. Add to deployment descriptor, click on finish. Let's again check the name DOWNLOAD servlet. Okay, fine, fantastic. So let's remove the unwanted code from here first. So since it is an anchor tag, so the method will be do get. HTTP servlet request HTTP servlet response throws servlet exception, IO exception. Right. Oh, now over here the response.check content type will not be HTML because we don't have to display anything on the screen. Instead we have to download something, right? So the content type over here will get changed. It will be changed to application/octet stream. Now what does octet stream means? Something related to bytes or file, right? So our data is related to files and bytes only. So a file is always a byte. So here we'll get the name of the file which the user wants to download, request.get parameter file name. So once we have got the file name, what we will do is servlet context is the page is equal to get servlet context. So it will get the project source, input stream is equal to context dot get resource as stream and the path, so slash plus the file name. So from the project only to slash we have to get the file name, right? So now we'll enter print writer out is equal to response dot get writer. Right now we'll change the response header. We'll change the response header content disposition the first, because here our data doesn't contain any HTML code, but instead it contains file name is equal to slash plus double quotes plus the file name which we want to upload plus double quotes slash double quotes. So here two double quotes are required because it contains a slash, right? That's why. So now here we have changed our content to disposition. So it will now be a file type. And the last thing we have to do is we have to just read through the data. So that's what we did last time. I equal to input stream dot read not equal to -1 until the data is there. We have to write through the data out dot write I. So once it is done, we have to close the input stream and we have to close the output stream, both of them. Yeah, we have to close each and everything. Here what we have done is we have got the file. First of all, we have set the octet stream that it is a byte type. Now my response is a byte type. After that, we have got the file name, we have got the project path and everything. From that path in the root directory, we have to get the file name, and next we have got the outright print writer out, and from that we have set the head change the header, and we have sent it to set disposition, which means that okay, now that is something a file. We have got one attachment with the file name which is over here, and we are reading all the data and we are closing our input stream and output stream. So now let's only run the download file. So for that we have to right click over here and click on run file. So it will just open the download.html. Right. So the download.html has come. In the file download application, click tybsrt. So once we click on the tybsrt, it will download the file for us. See, if you notice over here, the green was okay, and we have downloaded our file. So if we click on show in folder, it would be in downloads folder. So here our file has also been downloaded and our file has also been uploaded in the first part. So both the topics are done, whether we want to upload or whether we want to download. So that's it from this practical. Hope all of you have understood the practical. Thank you.